Well, tomorrow is the annual Drug Take-Back Day for those wanting to safely dispose of prescription drugs from their home. It's a day meant to address the national opioid crisis. Marissa Sines reports tonight on this epidemic, which is not unfamiliar to Northeast Ohio.
Edward Morrell's life 6 years ago was in the midst of breaking through addiction.
And my addiction is what sparked me to go back to school and get my social work degree, to be a counselor, to help other people find sobriety. So
After losing his mother to addiction, Morrell says his life, everything that was important to him, began slipping away.
and when I realized I was going to lose my family, and I met the right people in treatment.
Addiction, an epidemic impacting the lives of thousands in Northeast Ohio, specifically opioid addiction. The latest numbers from the CDC date back to 2019, reporting over 4,000 drug overdose deaths. Just in the first quarter of 2021, the Ohio Hospital Association reported more than 3,500 opioid-related overdoses. The source of opioids for many, a survey on drugs use shows, comes from home cabinets.
Just getting rid of drugs out of a medicine cabinet can prevent an accidental overdose.
University hospitals making it easy for you this weekend, staging collection sites across the city. The Drug Enforcement Administration, or DEA, also has a Take Back Day website. There you can find police departments in Northeast Ohio also participating as a collection site.
Addiction to opiates is an epidemic.
Rick Sutton, a registered nurse, works in addiction services, witnessing firsthand how quickly opioid addiction can change a life.
It cuts through all socioeconomic boundaries, and recovery is definitely not easy.
Morrell would agree. He made it to the other side of addiction.
I need to stay sober for myself and not for anybody else.
Like that. Yeah, and these collection sites are all over Northeast Ohio. So really, you're probably going to be able to find one in your neighborhood. And you can take nearly anything, Betsy, except for needles and syringes. You can take over-the-counter medications. You can take prescription medications. And you can even take liquid medications, but they've got to be smaller than 4 ounces. And you've got to make sure they're in a Ziploc bag.
I think everybody has a stash somewhere in the back of a closet or down in the cabinets of something that they can get rid of. It's just good to get it out of the house, then it's done and over with.
This weekend, tomorrow is a good day to clear that for you while you can.
Keeps it out of the landfills and the water treatment and all that, so that's a good thing. All right, thanks, Marissa. Good info.
Yeah.